So good morning everyone. So today I have a fabulous house as always, but this house is very modern and very contemporary. So I'm quite looking forward to showing you around on this villa tour. So let's go in and check it out. We are in an urbanisation called Camposol on the Costa Calida near the port of Mazarron. Okay, down in the southern part of Spain. So without further ado, let's go in. So we are on Camposol on Sector B, and this is a Neptune Deluxe style property that we're going to show you. Go in the pedestrian gate and you have got a gate to the side of the property there. This is the Neptune itself, and if I just walk down here, got a fig tree, you have lemon trees and quite a lot of fruit trees in this property. You also have another gate there which brings you out to the pool area. You also have a storage shed and off-road parking. The walls are raised for privacy, which is great. I'm just going to come up here and we're going inside. I'm quite looking forward to showing you this property and showing you around. It's easy access as well because it's only got a couple of steps to go into this property. It's also fully alarmed. Now, as you can see, it looks quite different here already. Just above there, you have got infrared heating, okay, panels. And you got that throughout the property. You've also got these beautiful flooring through most of the property, okay? Just as I walk into the property, give it a pan around, this is a very modern contemporary villa. Just above we have infrared heating panels and they're up there on the ceiling. Just over here you've got a feature fireplace and that's a log burner. On the floor you've got these beautiful tiles throughout most of the property, not all. And if I just come this other end here and just show you this kitchen, it's got a floating worktop space there and your worktop space here. Just here, lovely granite worktop, and as you can see, all your plug sockets are just there. The hob is one of those hobs that the extractor fan is on the hob itself. Very modern, really nice breakfast bar there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come through the archway over here or through this door, and we're going to take a look at the bedrooms. Just in here is the master bedroom, and just above there you have got a modern light and fan. You've also got aircon there as well. Just going to pan around so you get a view of the room. Really very nice, and you can fit a large king size bed in this bedroom. These bedrooms in the properties are very, very generous. So just coming down through here, and it follows through this flooring that's so beautiful. Just follows through. Very modern upgraded bathroom, as you can see. It has a frosted glass window. It has a clear screen, shower screen, and it's like a double shower. You have got your WC and your sink and vanity unit here. Okay, all done in this lovely wood and black. So taking this bathroom at a different angle, again, you've got your infrared heating panels above. Very modern light above as well. Beautiful tiling throughout the bathroom, and you've got your electric towel heater there. lovely vanity unit and sink and mirror. So let me take you into the next room. I've also got cameras throughout the property as well. So just in here you've got another bathroom, again with frosted glass window, very modern shower, and the same design as the ensuite. Okay. The only difference with this one, this bathroom for the guest room, is it doesn't have the electric wall heater in. Other than that, it's the same basically. Okay. So, just going into the bedroom here, you have aircon, and just above you've got a ceiling light and fan. You have insect screens throughout the property, as well as your blackout blinds and your records. Okay, and this takes quite a large bed. You can put 2 single beds in here quite easily. So let me take you in and around. So I'm going to take you upstairs now. And we have this very rustic Spanish door on here that slides across, really lovely. So I'm just going to move that over a bit. And I'm going to see you upstairs, guys. So again, I'm now up in the top box and I've come into a very modern and contemporary bedroom. I'm going to take you into the bathroom now. Just here, these are the original tiles. So just in here you have your sink and pedestal, your bidet, your WC, and you have your bath with a shower attachment. You have a clear screen, shower screen there, and you have a little cupboard. You've also got a socket just above there. Got your standard light and you got your infrared ceiling heater. This room is tiled from ceiling to floor. Alright, you've also got your shaving socket over there as well on the wall. So let me take you inside and around. You've got a lovely porthole window there on the staircase. You have aircon, as I said, in here, and your ceiling light and fan. Let's take you outside onto the rooftop solarium and have a look out there. So as you can see, I'm taking you outside into this wonderful Merthian sunshine. And just here on the terrace, as I show you, you have a water point there, represented by this little duck. And just here, you have some storage, and it's quite a bit of storage here on the rooftop solarium. Okay, which is absolutely marvellous. It's what you need, is loads of storage. And this looks down at the front of the house. Just over there in the distance is the golf club, which is about a 10-minute walk from here. And just over here you can see the supermarket and all the shops over the other end. Okay, so let me take you inside. You have an overhead outside light as well. Okay, so let me take you downstairs, guys. Now I'm back downstairs and I'm quite excited to show you the rest of the kitchen. This is not just any old kitchen. Let's show you in here. Look at that. It's quite modern. So I think because I'm not used to it, it's not my kitchen. This is the fridge. And you've got a freezer just here, which opens up. And all this blends in here. Just here. Oh, this is the dishwasher. This is all storage here, as you can see. And just down here is your washing machine. So how modern and contemporary is that? Really lovely. It just looks like a white wall. And of course, you got your oven there and the rest through there. Isn't that fantastic? So this hob is an integrated induction hob with your extractor. And of course, you've got your sockets just there as well. Just here on the sink, you have your tap for your filtered water, drinking water as well. Absolutely fantastic the way they've done this kitchen. Okay, really lovely. So now that I've shown you this wonderful kitchen, and again you've got that infrared heating just up there along with spotlights, we'll go outside and have a look around outside. So you have got a lovely little outside spot here, as you can see. It's quite sunny out here. So let's go down the steps here now. Let's look at that big barbecue. Oh my goodness. So you have some outside kitchen going on here. Look at this, absolutely fabulous. You've got a huge barbecue. You could roast a small hog in that. Absolutely wonderful. So guys, this is the barbecue opened. And you have your outside dining, your hammock, and your table here that's shaded. Absolutely wonderful. And we haven't been to the pool side yet. So I'm just going to come around here to have a look. I do love exploring with you guys and showing you these wonderful houses. And so just here guys is the sink. So when you've done your barbecuing and all that and your outside dining, you wash your stuff and your implements in this sink obviously. Underneath here is a filter, so any fat or anything goes in there. That water is recycled and then that goes to water the garden. Okay, and obviously you've got your boiler and everything out here as well. So just here of course you have some storage, but this is big enough to put an outside toilet in if you wanted to have one, so your guests wouldn't need to come around the property. Okay, and you've got plenty of sockets just there and here, especially for your electric bikes. There's your irrigation, and that goes all through the garden. This is where your outside dining would be, and of course in the evening those lights would just come on. Okay, you could just sun yourself on the hammock. So let me take you over. Well, first I'll just show you the tile work here, really beautiful. I'm going to take you over now to the pool side. So let's take a walk this way. This is a wonderful place for entertainment, for all your friends and family. And of course you've got a shower just here. This is the pool. Absolutely fabulous. Just going to pan around, and oh my goodness, isn't it beautiful? And this is a lovely area to just gather with your friends and family. And of course you got your TV there to watch the footy, You got workspace. Lovely area. And of course this door would bring you out to the front, I'm sure. The front of the property. Yes, it does. It's a lot to take in, isn't it? Guys, if you're interested in this beautiful modern contemporary property, do contact info@toletoseltobuy.com. I will leave the reference number in the title of the video, and when you inquire, please don't forget to leave your contact details so we can get back to you on it. Okay, beautiful modern contemporary villa here on Sector B of Camposol. So until the next time, hasta luego and take care.